Organizing a perfect bar setup, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a practical and interesting topic, organizing a bar setup. Whether you're hosting a party or setting up your home bar, knowing how to articulate this process in English is incredibly useful. Let's explore this together, step by step, to ensure you can talk about organizing a bar setup confidently and clearly. First, let's break down the phrase. Organize means to arrange or put in order. It involves planning and preparation. A bar setup refers to the arrangement of drinks, tools, and equipment needed to serve beverages, especially alcoholic drinks, in a structured and accessible manner. So, when we combine these terms, organizing a bar setup involves planning and arranging everything necessary to efficiently serve drinks in a social setting. Every good bar setup begins with understanding what elements are essential. You'll need alcohol, a selection of spirits, wines, and beers to cater to various tastes. Tools, items like shakers, jiggers, strainers, and bottle openers for making drinks. Glassware, different types of glasses for serving various beverages correctly. Garnishes, lemons, limes, olives, and other extras to add flavor and decoration to drinks. Mixers, sodas, tonic water, and juices for mixing with alcohol. Knowing these terms helps in both setting up a bar and discussing the process in English. Now, let's outline the steps to organize a bar setup effectively. 1. Select a space. Choose a convenient and accessible location for your bar area. 2. Gather your tools and glassware. Make sure you have all the necessary equipment. 3. Stock up on alcohol and mixers. Based on your guest list, decide on the types and quantities of beverages. 4. Arrange everything neatly. Organize items for easy access and aesthetic appeal. 5. Prepare garnishes in advance. Cut and store garnishes to save time during your event. These steps will ensure your bar is not only well organized but also inviting for your guests. To elevate your bar setup, consider these tips. Understand your guests' preferences. Tailor your selection of drinks to the tastes of your attendees. Practice making popular cocktails. Familiarize yourself with a few cocktail recipes to impress your guests. Keep it clean and tidy. Regularly clean the bar area to maintain an inviting atmosphere. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to organizing a bar setup in English. We hope this video has given you valuable insights and vocabulary to discuss setting up a bar confidently, whether for an event or personal enjoyment. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these new terms and tips in your conversations or planning. Cheers to your successful bar setup, and see you in our next video.